welcome to Brahma Gems. I am Anshul Goyal, the director and CEO of Brahma Gems. So there is some question ki after taking a gemstone या after buying a gemstone, how do we energize them? So there are different procedures to energize a gemstone. First and the main procedure which is generally done by everybody or which is a common practice is कि you can hire a panditji or a pujari, so he can do a pran pratishtha or the entire puja for the gemstone on a particular day, on a particular for a particular person according to Lagan and Nakshatra. So energization is very important so that it suits you, it give you positive result. It is simple कि कोई भी काम शुरू करने से पहले कुछ अच्छा करना है या कुछ पूजा की शुरुआत करनी है. Or else if you don't know any पंडित जी or there is some problem in your area कि आप पंडित जी को नहीं बुला सकते या प्रॉब्लम है, what we can do is we have a facility of Zoom call. We can hire a pandit ji over here and we can connect one to one on the Zoom meeting and we can do the entire things for you as well. So what you can do, take a pure Ganga Jal or a Kacha Doodh, pour the ring or the pendant or your gemstone in it for a certain period of time. There is a proper time for wearing each and every gemstone. Generally it is worn in the morning from 6 am to 8:30 or 9 am at the time of Surya Uday. You can put it over there and do the mantra 108 times for a particular stone or for the particular planet. Supposingly if you are wearing a red coral, so then it is like Om Angakaya Namaha. You can do it for 108 times and you can wear the red coral on the Tuesday. Same goes with blue sapphire, yellow sapphire and other gemstone, but a proper puja, proper energization is important so that you can get maximum benefit out of it. I'll tell you one more important thing you should keep in mind. After wearing a gemstone, one should always clean their rings from the bottom because the dust particles get stored over there and the rays does not pass properly. So one should keep on cleaning the gemstone or the ring or the pendant, whatever you are wearing, in every 15 or 20 days so that it remains clean and the rays pass properly. You can repeat this procedure once in a month to get maximum benefit out of it. For cleaning the stone, you don't need anything as such in particular. You can just keep one fresh toothbrush and a warm water to clean it.
Thank you. If you have any other question, you can log on to www.brahmagems.com or you can just call on at any time at our number 011 47010101.
इसके अलावा कुछ लोगों का सवाल रहता है कि आप डिलीवरी करते हैं नहीं, या इंडिया में ही डिलीवर करते हैं या बाहर से भी डिलीवरी करते हैं. बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क कि हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, हम यूएस में हैं, हमारी डिलीवरी हो जाएगी. बिल्कुल हो जाएगी. डिलीवरी विद इन इंडिया इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. पैन इंडिया डिलीवरी इज फ्री. Outside India, the delivery is charged as per actual. Generally takes from 3 to 7 working days for outside India, and within India generally takes 2 to 3 working days.